Hi everybody, this is Kelvin Zhang from Co-Workshop Solutions. Today I would like to demonstrate how Curtain eLocker protects files stored in Solidworks EPDM system. EPDM is a product data management system that allows companies to store and manage their design files. With eLocker protection, you can make sure users cannot take the files from EPDM system to other locations if they're not authorized to do so. Before we demonstrate the protection for EPDM system, I would like to briefly introduce the architecture of Curtain eLocker. In many companies, they are using file server to store and share information internally. Authorized user can log into share folder to access files inside. When users have the right to access those folders, they can take the file out of the company through different channels, such as USB disk, email, printer, and etc. With Curtain eLocker, administrator can define which share folder they want to protect. If users need to access those eLocker protected share folders, they need to install our current client on their workstations. During the installation of current client, a local protected directory will be automatically created in users' workstations. Then, it forms a protected zone. Actually, protected zone is combined by two areas: protected share folder in server side and the local protected directory in users' workstations. Controlled file can be used in these two locations. User can directly open a file in share folder or download it to the local protected directory. If they are not authorized, they cannot copy the file to other locations or even attach the file to an email. That is the architecture of Curtain eLocker. Now, let me show you my demo environment. I have an EPDM server on Windows 2008 and an EPDM client on Windows 7. On the server, I have installed the Curtain Server component, which includes Curtain Admin and Curtain Server plugin. Let me open the current client. In this demo, two network drives are protected by Curtain eLocker: drive Y and EZ. We can see that the protected zone is combined by the protected network drive and the local protected directory. For example, I can go to the drive Y, open a file, you can see that this file is protected by Curtain eLocker. There is the small red icon at the top right corner. Users can click this icon to see their permission. This is eLocker default control policy. It means I can save this file within protected zone, but I cannot save it to other locations. I cannot send it out, print, or even copy the content and paste it to other locations. If I try to save this file to other locations, for example, let me try to save it to desktop. That is out of the protected zone. When I click the Save button, you can see the action is stopped by eLocker. And we will prompt the user. Let me do it once again. Desktop, save. The software will prompt the user, this document is under security control. You can only save it to foreign location. Actually, the locations are the protected zone. You can go back to the current client. You can see the path are the location of protected zone. So the software will guide the user. You can only save this file to foreign locations. It means the protected zone. We have another demo movie which demonstrates the basic functions and features of Curtain eLocker. Please refer to that movie for the basic features. In this demo movie, we focus on the protection for EPDM system. The design of protecting EPDM system actually is the same as the design of protecting a file server. Now, the backend system is EPDM server. Admin can enable eLocker protection for the EPDM server. Then, users have to install current client on their workstations. Files from the EPDM system can be only checked out to the local protected directory. It means the local file what is under the local protected directory. As a result, files can be only used within the protected zone. In the user workstation, there is a shortcut called Secure EPDM Client. Since the EPDM system is protected by eLocker, we can only use this shortcut to access the EPDM system. Let me double-click this icon. Go into the system, log in. We have created the local file what? That is EPDM folder under drive C. And we have used the Curtain eLocker to protect this local folder. If we go back to the current client, you can see this folder is under local protected directory. It means it is protected by eLocker. If you try to access this folder through my computer, see EPDM folder, you can find that you cannot go into this folder by using my computer. It is because this folder is protected by eLocker. You can only access this folder by using Secure EPDM system. Actually, the Secure EPDM client is the same as a normal EPDM client. User can still do check-in, check-out, double-click to open a file. Let me try to open this design file. Because it is a Solidworks file, it is opened by Solidworks. You can see that this file is opened by Solidworks, still under eLocker protection, because you can see the small red icon. it means this file is under eLocker protection. When I click this small red icon, again you can see it is the user permission. I can work with this file, but I cannot save it out to other locations. If I try to save it, to desktop, again, it is protected. It is blocked by eLocker because the location is not within the protected zone. Now you can see how eLocker protects the EPDM system. In some cases, if you don't want to control some VIP users, we have a function called exception. Administrator can allow some workstations to access the EPDM system without eLocker protection. If you want to know how to set up this EPDM protected environment, we have another movie to demonstrate that. Please refer to that movie. For more information, please go to our corporate website. FAQ under Support and Download section. FAQ database. You can find related information. For example, let me enter EPDM and search. You can find related topics. For example, how to set up the protection for EPDM system. You can find the detailed steps. This is the end of this demo movie. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.